Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to reset password if you forgot your Apple ID password. So let's start the video. Go to settings and hit your iCloud sign. As you can see, sign out sign is hidden. Go back to the settings and tap on screen time. Scroll down and turn off screen time. Enter screen time passcode and turn off screen time. Now go back to your iCloud sign. Tap again your iCloud sign. Scroll down and tap sign out. As you can see, iPhone is asking to your password, but I forgot Apple ID password. Insert the wrong password for turn off Apple ID. But he said your Apple ID or password is incorrect. Tap on OK and try again one more time another wrong password. Now you can see appears on screen forgot password. If you forgot your Apple ID password, you can reset it using your iPhone passcode. Just tap reset password. As well as you can see the passcode you used to unlock this iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple ID password. So enter your iPhone passcode. As you can see, new Apple ID password. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate for any support. Goodbye and take care. Thanks for watching my video.